Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with meteorologist Cameron Landfield.
Good morning, Western Oregon. Things are finally getting pretty intense around here. That high pressure is gone, which is making room for a bunch of storms to come on in. So the first thing I'm going to show you right now is our current wind speeds and wind direction. The direction's the important part. Check that out. So the speeds you'll notice are still really low, which keeps us through 10 a.m. this morning in that air stagnation warning, which means we are still going to be seeing some poor quality air with a little bit of smoke. But look at these directions here. Clearly, there is a front just sitting over the edge of the water right now. Now, we had a warm front move through earlier, and that is the first part of any of our mid-latitude cyclone storms that we constantly receive. And the second part of that is the cold front. So we're seeing this cold front pass on in pretty soon here, and that's going to be starting up that rainfall once again. So there are remnants of that warm front over the mountain right now, but there's the cold front sitting out over the water, moving through into 7 a.m., not quite over our area yet. 8:30, it's touching out over Coos Bay, though, and look at how intense some of that rainfall is. We're seeing some of that dark red, which is actually as far as you can get up on our scale. Into 9:30, it starts to make its way all the way down the whole coast, but we should be dry for the most part along the valley. Of course, Sweet Home getting nice and wet at that point. 11 o'clock, though, does show complete rainfall over everywhere. Not super intense anywhere except for Florence, but it is consistent. And again, showing you those pink and blue colors out over the mountains, we're seeing high snowfall over the next 2 days too. Now, another big wave passes through by 1 o'clock here, hitting Eugene pretty hard and down towards Coos Bay as well. Some of the areas in the north too, like the most northern region of Newport, are going to get really hard at 1 o'clock as well. But it's just going to be raining everywhere for the remainder of the morning and the evening. 4:30 here, showing a lot of snowfall building up, and then we get more showery conditions before our next system comes on in. We got like 3, maybe even 4 systems coming up, so don't expect it to get dry for too long. Here's what today's rainfall totals are looking like so far. We're going to have to see if this does end up panning out, though. I'm thinking Newport's going to get a little bit more than that. And snowfall into tomorrow morning is going to be intense. We're looking at 7 a.m. here tomorrow morning, so tons of snow coming for that area all the way through about Saturday. It's going to be unsafe to go over the passes. Now, for the 7-day forecast, again, looking like tons of rain coming up. For Sunday, it's going to be extremely heavy when our strongest atmospheric river comes on through. And into the Umpqua Basin, similar there. Showers and rain Friday and Saturday. Getting a little warmer on Saturday and Sunday, too. Cascade Passes, that's where things are pretty crazy. Lots of snowfall, super heavy on Friday morning, and rain and snow every day after that as well. Willamette Valley is showing you exactly the same pattern. Getting into the upper 50s Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, though. But now it's time to wake up and win.